G'day everyone, I'm just about to start waterproofing shortly, but first of all I've got to fix this leak, which I'll be plugging it up with a special plastic thingy-doodle that plumbers use. This I've got to cut and I'll be setting it in flush with the floor. This is the same, I'll be trimming this into the floor so it's flush with the cement sheet. So let's get going. I've turned off the water. I might get, this is a low point, so I might get a bit of water, but no, I might be lucky. Cool, look at that. Yeah, hey. Okay, we'll tighten that up nicely. Good one. Buzz that off. We'll put that down there. This is the tile I'm going to be using. The floor tile, the wall tile is a white basic 6x3 tile, but nothing looks better and fresher than a lovely white bathroom. That goes there like that. I'll trim a bit more off. That's not going to work. That might be because with that fitting there, it doesn't want to right, so what I'll do is use that, trim around that. Good. It's not quite the right, not quite the right fitting, but it's all right. We can't use it. We'll use something else. Cool. This is, that timber has been cut away a little bit. I don't sort of, I don't like it too much. Hasn't got enough support. If I maybe move it over a bit more over here. Might be a bit more support. Okay. Yeah. See, it should sort of, the puddle flange should look like that, but the hole that's smaller, of course, but it should look like that, not like that. I haven't got enough, unless I trim more off. I'll have a look at that. I'll have a look at that in a minute. The DIY owner has nailed this down correctly, and he's glued it as well, so that's good. So I'll lift that up. That goes nicely there. I'll take a look at that. I'll come back to you shortly. See ya. Bye.